Hello there. If you're watching this, I hope you're interested in learning more about CPDA's Applied Machine Learning course. My name is Janie Chan, and I'll be your instructor for this year. As implied by the name, we've restructured the course to take a more hands-on approach and really focus on using machine learning models to address real-world problems. So what is machine learning? It seems these days the hot buzzwords are all about artificial intelligence and machine learning and neural nets. Everyone wants it, but very few people know what it is. So in this course, we're going to focus specifically on machine learning, which encompasses statistical models that enable computers to learn without being explicitly programmed. And this really comes down to translating human understandable data, like words and images, into machine understandable data structures. At the most basic level, this just means that we want to convert everything into numbers. And then this allows the machine learning algorithms to find patterns and correlations in high dimensional data. Now, the hard part is doing this efficiently and then being able to validate these patterns and correlations, because the machine will always find a pattern, but it's up to us to decide whether or not that pattern is relevant. As a side note, we won't be covering deep learning, which is an entirely separate course on its own. Everything else on this roadmap is fair game. There are two main goals in the Applied Machine Learning course. The first is to introduce students to Python for machine learning, specifically focusing on optimization and efficiency. Now, these two things are essential since with machine learning being an extremely data-hungry beast, meaning we're going to have to deal with very large data sets. And efficient code can mean the difference between training a model for days versus weeks. Now, in order to achieve this, we do require students to complete a free Kaggle tutorial on basic Python, but I do realize that students are coming into this course with little to no experience coding with Python. So that's going to be a little bit of a balancing act. I'll also be introducing several commonly used Python packages, specifically for machine learning and data analysis, including numerical Python or NumPy and the Pandas data frames. For the 2021 academic year, we'll be exploring machine learning approaches for classifying the severity of COVID infections based off of patient features, as well as exploring sentiment analysis on Reddit posts regarding the popularity of these meme stocks that have been popping up, like GameStop and AMC theaters. So I hope I'll see you in class. Signing off.